Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable the alt+tab from your Windows 11. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. Long time ago, I have already uploaded the video on that topic, but many of my viewers have not solved their problems by watching that video. My English not so good. I'm trying my best to help you guys, so please understand. You can see the key I'm pressing right now on the bottom left corner of my screen, so it will help you what key I'm pressing when I'm doing this. So you need two files. First one is software and second one is commands. I have already mentioned the link of this software, just downloaded it. It is auto hotkey software. Just download it and install it. Next, I agree and just tick the third. Our software has been installed. Now just open it. Go to the search bar, type, here is our software, run is as administrator. Now go to the taskbar and double click on it. Our software has been opened. Now go to the command file, double click, here it is our commands. Guys, just follow these steps. First of all, you need to copy that from my file. After that, close it. Now go to the software, click on edit script. Whenever you open this software and click on edit script, it will load the demo file. It will ask you to create a demo file. Just click on yes button. After that, copy my commands, copy and just paste. And after that, click on save. After saving the file, just go to the file, click on reload script. After that, you can see I am pressing alt+tab together, but my system is taking only alt or taking tab, not taking together alt+tab. That means our alt+tab issue has been solved. For restoring that, just click on this software, go to the suspend hotkeys. Let me show you. After that, you clicking alt+tab, you can see the key on the top left corner. Alt+tab is working now. The alt+tab also permanently disabled at the time you're playing the game. Let me show you. Just uncheck the suspended hotkeys. After that, I have to open the game. Let me show you. It will permanently disable the hotkeys on your Windows 11. Just follow these steps. If you have any question, you can ask on the comment section. I will help you regarding this topic. Now game has been opened. Now I'm going to press alt+tab. You can see top bottom. You can see I'm pressing alt+tab together, but nothing is happening. Now this problem has been solved. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section. I will answer regarding this. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.